Welcome to another edition of our San Diego walking tour. Today, we're taking you to the beautiful Coronado Island. We are here at Seaport Village with our friends Mike and Roxanne. Say hello. Hello. And there's good old Lisa.
Hola!
Here in Coronado Island, and across the bay you can see downtown San Diego. Very nice. So we went across the Coronado Bridge, and for the first time after being in California for 37 years and in San Diego for a long time, I can say now that I've been to Coronado Island. Oh, there's our friends Lisa and Mike and Roxanne. We're here in Coronado Island, and there's downtown San Diego with the high-rise buildings, and the convention center's right here. there's a ferry. Where does that ferry go?
So the ferry goes to Harbor Drive.
Oh, Harbor Drive. Just across the...
Yep, just
okay.
across.
Very nice. We're still in Coronado Island, and this is the Coronado Beach. White sand. It's one of the top beaches in the US. And down there, that hotel, that's the Hotel Del, where where they shot the movie Some Like It Hot. That hotel right there with Marilyn Monroe. It's not busy right now. The beach is not, because it's winter time. But it's pretty wide. There's the Hotel Del, Coronado. And we're gonna follow our friends Lisa and Mike. Oh, very nice beach. I should come here more often. It is really pretty flat all the way out there. Very big beach for such a small island. Kind of like Boracay, reminds me of. There's the iconic Hotel del Coronado. Okay, I'm checking this out for my anniversary celebration. All the rooms will reserve for guests. And we're still working with Taylor Swift for the entertainment.
For the entertainment.
Yeah, exactly. I told her to clear her calendar. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna go on the other side here. Here is the beach.
That's already Pacific Ocean.
There's the Pacific Ocean. Oh, and there's up there, a fighter plane up there. That's not a commercial plane, is it?
No.
No, it's a fighter plane. No, it's a drone. It's somebody's drone.
No, it's a cargo.
Oh, it's a cargo. Okay, I need to make sure that I book that room up there
Yes.
as our room for our anniversary. What is it called?
The Crown Room.
The Crown Room. Oh yeah. Yeah. Welcome to Coronado, California, USA. Happy Halloween. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention today is Halloween night. She never checked out. 1892. Happy anniversary, my Everything my love. Oh, it's not my anniversary, but that is so sweet. Main building here is still under renovation. In time for my big celebration. And they are working, finishing touches on the crown roof up there. Oh no, Roxanne got trapped in the elevator. Content for me. Oh, there we go.
Ito yung crown room.
Oh, the crown room. This is it.
So this is where yung mga, because you have the crown chandelier.
Oh, this is where I'm getting my anniversary.
Pang debut or weddings.
Okay, so this is where I'm having my reception.
So this is where you're gonna have your reception.
One of the receptions. One of the very many receptions.
2 week long.
Yeah. This is really cool. Yeah. Look at this grand flower. Oh, this is their banquet.
If it's a smaller,
Coronado.
if it's a smaller event, you can just get this one.
No. This one.
It's gonna
No.
be the big one.
No. Look at the lobby.
Yes, it's
This is
pretty.
just so. I can imagine the Christmas tree and
Oh yes, it's so pretty.
so I'm gonna come back here after Thanksgiving.
Oh yeah.
Hold on. I'm being summoned. I'm being coming down from here to greet my guests, my esteemed guests. This is cool. So, what did you say? $3,000 a night
Or more.
or more? Oh yeah. So this is some pictures of from the movie Some Like It Hot. There's Marilyn Monroe. That's the crown room right there. Getting left behind again. Okay, it's almost sunset here at Coronado Island. We are at the Hotel del Coronado waiting for the sunset. You have to be careful coming down the steps here. And we're a good spot is for watching the sunset. You see people here waiting for the sunset. So what do I do? That's not very good. Okay, let's continue on with our wait for the sunset. We're in Coronado Island. I think it's a couple more minutes and it'll be sunset soon. I can smell good food around here. Okay, moved up here to another location. Oh, 5 minutes. I thought you said 5 minutes earlier.
Siyempre, kailangan i-catch mo yung palubog.
Nagmamadali na. Si Rox. There's the sunset. It's almost here. It's almost here. Oops, there's someone coming. I need to get out of the way. Sorry. Sunrise, sunset, rise, sunset. Oh, there we go. Right next to the Cabrillo Point over there. Let's see. Huh?
Kita ka pala.
Ay,
Mali. Dapat ano lang.
dapat hand lang. Okay, okay.
Oo nga.
Ah. Okay, let's try again. Okay, it's almost there. It's almost there. Here comes the sunset. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oops, and over here. Very so cool. Okay. Oh, I can actually look at the sun now. Sunrise, sunset, sunrise, sunset. Okay, there it is. It's almost gone. It's almost gone. It's halfway. Oh my God, I shouldn't be staring at the sun. Staring at the sun. It's getting cold. Getting cold. Oh, come on. She just stood right in front of it. Okay, almost gone. There's people I just can't really feel. They keep blocking. I know somebody else blocks. It's almost here. It's almost here. It's almost here. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Goodbye, sun. Goodbye, sun. These Filipinos are just having a blast. Good for them. It's gone.